So let us start with question number 5. Question number 5 reads as two types of boxes A and B are placed in a truck having the capacity of 10 tons. So there is a truck, okay, there is a truck having the capacity of 10 ton. Imagine whatever you are reading. So there are two types of boxes in it. Say one is this side and another is of this side. Two types of boxes are there. When 150 boxes of A type and 100 boxes of B type are loaded in the truck, it weighs 10 ton. Matlab the truck is fully loaded. This is say A type, this is say B type. So you have A type का boxes 150. तो उसका total weight कितना होगा children? It will be
10,000 kg.
Beta, I am saying the weight, say type A. Okay, this has some weight, say X. So like that we have how many boxes? We have 150 boxes. So what will be the weight, total weight of 150 boxes? एक का X है, तो 150 box का 150x. Okay, I am just telling about the units little later. I am just giving an idea. Say it is ton, so let me have everything in ton, no problem. We will convert it when required. You should know the conversion, children, that 1000 kg is equal to 1 ton. It can be useful because one box का weight 1 ton नहीं हो सकता, कोई भी इंसान उठा नहीं सकता. Okay, so obviously you are going to either convert this into grams right from the beginning, or you convert this into it. Whatever you want, way you want, you have to do it. It's a common sense which you are going to use. हाँ, पूरा 10 ton है. 150 boxes of A type and 100 boxes. Say type B का weight is Y. So 100 boxes का it will be 100Y. Correct? So two ways are there. Either you do everything in ton or you do everything in kilograms. So what do you want? That way I will be able to do it. You just tell me. First I'll do in ton and then convert into kg, or right from the beginning we will convert into kg only.
Miss kg.
Okay. So we will say that it is x kg here everywhere. Huh? X kg. So this will be x kg. So please write down the statement. Let the weight of the box of A type please write down the statement. Let the weight of box of type A be x kg. Please underline it is kg. Therefore,
And the weight of box type B be Y kg.
हाँ, वो बाद में भी लिखेंगे तो भी चलेगा. Anyway, therefore 150 boxes weighs 150 into x kg. Now let the weight of box of B type be Y kg. Therefore 100 boxes of B type weighs 100 by kg. Please write down kg properly. Also we know that 1 ton is equal to 1000 kg. Therefore, 10 tons is equal to 10 into 1000. So that is 10,000 kg. Correct? So we have converted 10 ton into 10,000 kg. So according to given information, what we are having?
150x plus 100y is equal to 10,000.
Perfect, very good. 150x plus 100y is equal to 10,000.
Miss, we can simplify it by dividing throughout by 50. So it will be 3x
Correct.
plus
Very good.
2y is equal to 200.
Yeah. So I'll write down divide throughout by 50. So we have,
3x plus
see
2y is
children, as a beginner I am just dividing so that you can, you don't make any mistake. 50 से मैं लिख रही हूँ. This step is not necessary, but if you write, there are less chance of making mistake. So actually I am dividing by 50. So 50 3s are, so it will come as 3x. 50 2s are 2y is equal to 200. This is my equation number 1. Okay. Now as the truck was fully loaded, मतलब we can have maximum 10 tons. उससे ज़्यादा कुछ भी नहीं आ सकता. The truck is fully loaded. Now let us go further. We have just read the one line and we have done so much. Now let us go ahead. But when 260 boxes of A type are loaded in the truck, it can still accommodate 40 boxes of type B, so that it is fully loaded. मतलब again the weight will be 10,000 kg. So find the weight of each type of the boxes. So you can directly say no problem.
60x plus 40y is equal to 10,000.
260 है ना A type का?
Yes, miss.
Yeah.
Yes, miss.
So we'll write down that. Also 260x plus 40y is equal to 10,000. Again, try to solve.
Miss, we can divide it by 20.
Yes, correct.
13x plus 2y is
Divide
equal to 500.
Now divide throughout. Children, here obviously 0 0 0 तो 10 से तो होगा. 26 4 all are even numbers, so I am taking 20 directly. So direct throughout by 20. So 260 upon 20x plus 40 upon 20y is equal to 10,000 upon 20. So here you will get 13. Here you will get 2.
13x plus
Here you
2y is equal to 500.
500. So 13x plus 2y is equal to 500. This will be
Subtracting equation.
Subtracting equation 1 from 2.
Now I'll give this as a homework to you. Now children, it is very easy. This is got 2y, 2y. You can subtract one from the other and get the answer. So remaining part of the sum, I leave it to you. You have to complete it. Okay, now you are masters in solving the linear simultaneous equations. Okay, so we will go ahead Question number 6. Leave the remaining part of the page to complete this sum, and whatever you will get x and y, that will be the weight of the boxes of A type and B type. Now moving to the last question of this problem set, this exercise. Out of 1900 kilometers, we shall travel some distances by bus and some by aeroplane. See what happens is sometimes किसी का डेथ हो जाता है तो हम लोग को फटाफट उस जगह पे जाना पड़ता है because they cannot keep a dead body for longer time. So at that time we may find out the ways quickly to reach, and that is the best mode is aeroplane. So imagine के कुछ विशाल के साथ में ऐसा कुछ हुआ होगा, हाँ, कोरोना की वजह से कोई उसका नियर एंड डियर में भी एक्सपायर हुआ होगा. So what he did, just imagine the situation. You will be enjoying the maths if you imagine the situation. So here we have a Vishal.
Distance travelled by bus be x kilometers and distance travelled by aeroplane be y
kilometers. He has
kilometers.
to travel 1900 kilometers. Okay, and this is say the destination where he has to reach. So for reaching there, children, he has used bus and he has used aeroplane. So some distance is travelled by bus and some distance travelled by aeroplane. So we will maybe assuming say ये x है और ये y है. Okay. So what is
Yes, miss.
exactly what we have? The total distance is how much they said?
1900 kilometers.
1900. So one equation so we will get directly that x plus y is equal to 1900. See, I read just one line and I am imagining the situation. Okay? See the first line again. Out of 1900 kilometers, some distance, we shall travel some distance by bus and some by aeroplane. Full stop. When it is a full stop, I am stopping there and I am trying to write in a mathematical way. So I will just write down this one. Children, this is for your understanding. This is no need to draw it. This is just for your understanding. Okay, whatever we read, we try to visualize. So we will write down let Vishal travel x kilometers by bus.
Miss, let the distance will come, no? Distance travel by Vishal.
Will do now. We have written kilometer. The Vishal traveled x kilometer by bus. Will do. Huh? No problem. It means the same. And by
Miss, in last
kilometer
sum,
by.
I am having a doubt. Sum.
Yeah, beta. Say.
Miss, we got 3x plus 2y is equals to 200, equation 1, right?
You are talking
After
about
that
which sum?
We showed
Previous example?
yes, miss, previous example.
हाँ, क्या हुआ था उसमें? What जैसे?
3x plus 2y is equals to 200 is equation 1, and that after that we wrote that also 60x plus 40y is equals to 10,000, but it was 260x, no?
Now I am not able to recall also what was written. Something like that was there. 260x plus 40y is equal to 10,000, and I told you to divide by 20. तो इससे करोगे तो
No, miss, you wrote 60.
divide by 3. 13x plus 2y is equal to 500. This is your equation number 2. Okay, fine.
Miss.
Now come to this question, bacha. I am explaining the next question. Why you are just wanted to complete that sum. In between the two periods you have a gap now. That time you complete. I am there meeting you again in the last period. चलो एरोप्लेन और बस का हम लोग का रास्ता कंप्लीट हो गया 1900 किलोमीटर. Now whatever information I understood I have written. Now the next line says bus travels with the average speed of 60 kilometers per hour and average speed of aeroplane, wow, tremendous, 700 kilometers per hour. It takes 5 hours. So to complete this 1900 kilometers, total he took 5 hours. Okay. Then find the distance Vishal traveled by bus. मतलब you have to find out the value of x. Remember here value of y is not asked. So if you will not find, it's fine. So please read the question and then work accordingly. So here now they are talking about time. So we know the relationship that speed is equal to distance upon time. So what is time is equal to distance upon speed?
Distance upon speed.
Right. So what will be time taken by Vishal while he was traveling by bus? So time taken by Vishal while traveling by bus. बस से कितना ट्रैवल किया था x किलोमीटर. डिस्टेंस डिवाइड बाय स्पीड. स्पीड इज व्हाट 60 kilometers. So x upon 60. That many hours. Is it clear? See, I am using the formula distance upon speed. Distance is x and speed is 60. Similarly, time taken by Vishal while traveling by aeroplane will be aeroplane by upon 700. So that many hours. So what they do, total is 5 hours ना. So ये और ये इस दोनों का टोटल आएगा 5. So you can write down according to given condition this plus this x upon 60 plus y upon 700 is nothing but 5 hours. So that is 5. Now children, this is having a fraction here. X upon 60 and y upon 700. We are scared of fraction. So what to do it? You take the LCM of it and multiply throughout. ये जीरो का तो कोई मतलब नहीं है. You can just take the LCM of 6 and 70. You can take the LCM of 60 and 700. Come on. You know how to take the LCM? अगर LCM नहीं लेना नहीं आता है ना तो डायरेक्टली इसके डिनोमिनेटर को इससे मल्टीप्लाई करो, इससे ये करो. अगर LCM लेना नहीं आता तो you automatically you will multiply this by 700, this by 60 and this by 700 into 60. Okay, so that's the easier way if you are not able to take the LCM. If you are able to take the LCM, you can take the LCM and multiply accordingly. Factor will come little smaller. So when you are multiplying the denominator, you have to multiply numerator also. So it will be 700x plus 60y is equal to 7 6 are 42, 42 5 are 210 और कितने जीरो आएंगे 3 1 2 3. What I did 7 multiply by 6 42, 42 5 are 210 और कितने जीरो बाकी रहे 1 2 and 3. So that I have written here. Now all are even numbers. I can reduce it. Okay, just check it how even it is zeros are there, so you can divide it by 10 से करोगे directly तो भी आ जाएगा 7 ये आ गया 70x plus 6y is equal to, I am just removing 1 0 first. Still all even numbers, so I can divide by 2, so it will be 35x plus 3y is equal to 210 का आधा 105 and then 2 zeros. Fine. Now we cannot, because it is a prime number which came here, we cannot solve further. So the given equation is converted into the reduced form, whatever we could do. So this is the equation which I got. What was the other equation? In the beginning, x plus y is equal to 1900. I hope
1900.
this is your equation number 2. I hope that is given as equation number 1. If not done, then please do write it. So first equation was what? If you remember, x plus y is equal to 1900. That was your equation number 1. Now what do you think?
Miss, multiply equation 1 by 3.
Yes, you multiply by 3 and solve accordingly. Get rid of y, automatically you will get the value of x, and that is what is the answer. So now the further things I leave it to you. Now the further things I leave it to you. Write fast.
Miss, here x plus y is equal to 1900 is equation 1.
Yes.
So Miss, 35x will be equation of 3, no?
Which one is 3? When you are multiplying it by 3, na, that will be your equation number 3. Yes. So you will write down multiply equation 1 by number 3. So it is 3x plus 3y
3x
is equal
plus
to
3y is equal to 5700.
0 0. This will be your equation 3. Now you do the subtraction. इसमें से इसको subtract करो और कर लेना. Now further thing definitely you will be able to do. So leave a line for it. Completed, children?